Hi, my name is Mike, and today I'd like to show you some of Google's search features. Now, these search features are things that you might have come across before or you might not, and it's just simple things you can do in Google's search bar. For example, if you want to do some simple calculations, you can just enter here in the search bar the calculation that you want. So for example, 45 plus 45, hit enter, and Google comes up with the answer here of 90. It brings up the new Google calculator, which you can then use for further calculations if you want to, but you can still use the search bar for other things. For example, if you want to know what the square root of 16 is, you'll find it's 4. If you want to know what 2 squared is, 2 to the power of 2, and return, hey, that's also 4. If you wish to do a few more complicated calculations using brackets and multiplications and what have you, no problem whatsoever. Open bracket, 4 to the power of 6, 4 times 6 plus 9 gives you the answer 33. So the calculator is quite straightforward in the Google search bar. The thing that I find really useful are conversions. Let me show you how you can use some of them. For example, if you want to know what 5 miles is in kilometers, just type 5 miles in kilometers. And very quickly, 8.046 kilometers. Obviously, you can do this in reverse if you want to know what 20 kilometers in miles is. Type it in, and you have the conversion very easily. It doesn't have to be miles and kilometers, it can be pretty much anything that you want. So if you want 12 inches in centimeters, Google comes up with the answer very quickly. Temperatures, 100 degrees C in Fahrenheit, comes up 212, and obviously you can do that in reverse if you want to. If you want to know what 312 Fahrenheit in centigrade is, it gives you the conversion straight away. One that I've seen before, which I do like, is 20,000 leagues in miles. There we go. 20,000 leagues under the sea is, well, that's 69,000 whatever miles. Except I can't spell leagues, but thank you, Google, correct. Another very useful one is currency conversions. If I want to know what £10 is, for example, in dollars, it tells me straight away what the conversion is. This one I've done £10 with the pound sign. You can do it in different ways. For example, 100 GBP in USD comes out with exactly the same answer. Great British pounds in US dollars. You can convert pretty much anything. So if I want to know what 200, let's do it with the pound sign. If I want to know what 200 pounds in yen is, bingo, tells me straight away. So these conversions are very, very useful tools to have and extremely quick using the Google search bar. There's lots of other things you can do in Google search with the Google search features. For example, I've got a friend coming over from New York, and I know that she's on flight BA 0178. Type that straight in, and instantly I get the flight status for British Airways flight 178. It hasn't left yet, and it'll be arriving later on this evening. So if I want to phone my friend in New York and wish her a safe journey, is it a convenient time to phone? Not too sure, so I'll type in time New York, And I can see that it's 3 o'clock in the morning, so maybe she wouldn't appreciate a phone call just yet. Don't know what the weather is like in New York, but hey, weather New York. And instantly I get the weather in New York. Now when my friend comes over, I'd like to take her out to Bath for the evening tomorrow, so first of all we'll perhaps go to the cinema. What's on in Bath? No idea, but type films Bath and I get information about what's on and times, and obviously I can delve further in to the results to get more details. I know my friend likes Thai food. Are there any Thai restaurants in Bath that I could take her to after we've been to the cinema? Let's find out. Thai food Bath, and I get straight away answers, results of Thai restaurants in Bath with a nice map to be looking at. Talking about maps, if we want to find a map of a certain area, type it in, map Bath, and I get results for that, obviously from Google Maps. Is it going to be nice in Bath? Well, let's check the weather again. Meh. Possibly not, but hey, that's no surprise at all. So you can see there are some very, very useful functionalities built into Google, the search features that you might not have seen before, like I said, and very, very easily accessible just by typing in simple things into the search bar. So we've seen that we can do calculations, conversions, and things to do with local search. Thank you for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you here again soon.